Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my keto cheese list with you, my favorite low-carb keto friendly cheeses, and I've also written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has my full list as well as loads of recipes, loads of low-carb keto friendly ways to enjoy these keto cheeses, to enjoy all cheeses on a keto diet. I love cheese, as you can see, and I just raided my fridge for some that I have to share with you in this video. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know your favorite cheese and your favorite way to enjoy cheese on keto. So let me talk you through all my favorite cheeses, starting with grated cheese over here. I've got this cheddar, this grated cheddar. Just check in the nutritional panel that it doesn't have any starches and other ingredients added in. Sometimes they add in carbs, some starches to stop the grated cheese sticking together. Just check that you're happy. But I use this in so many ways, from lovely cheesy casseroles to cheesy fried eggs, and there's just so many yum ways to just add some cheese to melt in and make a lovely meal. And Parmesan's one of my other favorites. I've always got this grated Parmesan in the fridge to either use as a topping as well for eggs or for salads. Just a nice simple salad, greens with some Parmesan on top and a bit of a dressing. Just makes such a lovely meal. And I've got this little block of cheddar here that I might just cut and use for snacking or grate if I don't have any grated cheese. It's just nice to have it in the fridge as well, to just have to cut up to enjoy in meals. And cream cheese. I love creamy cream cheese, of course, in cheesecake, in my chocolate mousse with cream cheese. Also in savory ways, you can use cream cheese to make a cheesy sauce to have with zucchini noodles. There's just loads of options to include the lovely creamy full fat ingredient. And brie, I love brie as on the side for breakfast or snack or lunch. Blue cheese is another favorite which I forgot to get in my recent shop, but I do like blue cheese in a sauce as well. And mascarpone, I love mascarpone in a chocolate mousse, or sometimes in a lemon mousse, or also in savory to make a cheesy sauce. Mascarpone is lovely and luxurious and rich and so good. And the last cheese that I have for today is ricotta. I like ricotta cheese in my lemon ricotta cake, in my chocolate ricotta mousse, and also in savory ways. You can mix it in to make a sauce. Also with, I like making zucchini noodles and making a bit of a sauce with it. There's loads of ways to have ricotta. And another couple of favorites which I don't have today are goat's cheese and feta, which I'll either sprinkle on top of a nice breakfast and have as just a lovely flavoring, or maybe in a salad. There's loads of ways to have ricotta and goat's cheese and feta. They're just also good low carb, high fat, keto friendly cheeses. But that is the short video for today with my keto cheese list. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has my full list as well as all the recipes I've mentioned today and more. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.